Hello, welcome to the session of Tally Learning. The concept is transactions. In particular, receipt transaction. You observe the illustration given. It says 1st April 23, Shamant, the owner of the Suhan Private Limited, introduced 20 lakhs as a capital to start a business through the check number 950001 of Canara Bank. This money was deposited into SBI current account. When you analyze this transaction, you will understand this. The date of transaction is 1st April 23. Type of transaction is receipt. Voucher to be used, receipt voucher. See, the money is flowing from outside to the inside of the company, hence it is a receipt. So, in Tally Prime, we will have different types to be vouchers to be used in transactions. Out of which, for this particular transaction, you should use receipt voucher. The keyboard shortcut is F6. Here, the ledgers that get affected are owner's capital account and another one is the SBI current account. As the money is flowing from owner's capital account to SBI current account, owner's capital account will get the credit as SBI current will get the debit. The amount of transaction is 20 lakhs. The amount of transaction is 20 lakhs. The bank and check details are Canara Bank 950001. Voucher mode is double entry. First you should observe is the two ledgers that get affected are owner's capital account and SBI current account. When you go and check your list of ledger, it is obvious that owner's capital account is already created, but we have not yet created SBI current account. So your first thing is you are required to create SBI current account and the details are given here. Please go ahead and finish the creation of the ledger SBI current account. Once you create the ledger, then the actual process begins. Go to the gateway of Tally. Now, to enter into the transaction mode, from the gateway of Tally, choose the option Vouchers under the heading Transactions and press Enter. This is the voucher mode. On your left hand side top corner, you can observe it as a receipt. Can you see here? This is a receipt voucher. On your right hand side, you can observe here F6 receipt. F6 is the functional key, keyboard shortcut. So already we are in receipt voucher. No need to press F6 again, but still you can press it. First thing is, before entering into the transactions, you should remember that entire accountancy is chronology. Date is the very critical concept. So how to change the date? To change the date, press F2. You will get the small screen called voucher date. Type 1 APR 23, which is your transaction date. Press enter. Now, credit. CR stands for, under the particular, CR stands for credit. It is owner's capital account. Owner's capital account. Press enter. 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs. Debit. Enter. Choose SBI current account. Enter. Press enter. You have been directed to bank allocation screen. Where you will fill the bank details. The first one is the check number, which is 95001. Enter. Date is an instrument date, stands for the check date. Don't change it. Press enter. Choose Canara Bank. India from the list. Press enter. If required, give the narration. Press. Always it is better to give the narration. Capital being introduced by the owner. Press enter. It is asking accept. Press enter. The moment a transaction is done, it affects number of reports. The first thing, go to balance sheet, press enter. Can you see here your capital account has a 20 lakhs, which is a current assets. To see it in detail, press Alt and F5. It will give more in-depth understanding of the balance sheet. So, owner's capital account is a liability which is reflecting on your left hand side. The same one which is deposited into the bank accounts, that is SBI current account, is the current assets. Press escape. And as of now, there is no purchase or the sales. Profit and loss account will not have any figures. So let us press escape and move out. Another important thing is, go to display more reports, press enter, choose accounts books. So trial balance is another important report. Choose trial balance, press enter. You can see here both the transaction is affecting your trial balance. The current grand total is 20 lakhs. Choose the option day book, press enter. It is day book is a register of the entries, primary entries, where you can see the transaction. Press enter. It will take you to the voucher mode. Press escape and come back. You can choose accounts books, enter, choose receipt register, press enter, April, enter, you can see it. Press escape, choose statement of accounts. As of now, no outstanding, and you can choose statistics if required. There are a lot of things are there which will understand in the later stages. Press escape and come back to gateway of tally. This is the process of entering a receipt transaction. Some of our upcoming training courses are data analysis, Tableau, MS Project, payroll management, Tally Prime Advanced, taxation in Tally. Please follow us on the LinkedIn and YouTube channel. Please share, subscribe. Thank you.